FindThatLead is a lead generation tool that helps businesses find and verify email addresses of prospects. It's useful for sales teams, marketers, and recruiters. Here's a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use FindThatLead. Sign up and log in. Visit FindThatLead and create an account. After signing up, log in to access the dashboard. Find leads. Email Finder. In the dashboard, go to the Email Finder section. You can search for a person's email by entering their name and company domain. FindThatLead will try to locate the email address associated with that individual. Domain search. You can search for emails associated with a specific domain. Enter the domain of the company you're targeting, and FindThatLead will return emails of people working there. Verify emails. Use the email verifier tool to check the validity of email addresses. This ensures you aren't wasting time on invalid contacts. Create lists. Organize leads into lists for easy management and export. You can download these lists in CSV format to use in your email campaigns or CRM. Outreach. Once you have verified leads, you can begin reaching out via email for marketing, sales, or recruitment purposes.